Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the productivity settings. For that, you have to select settings from the side panel and then come up under the timer app and select productivity settings. This settings tracks the actual productive hours of the team member by defining the productive and the non-productive application and UR. For that, if you want to enable this thing, you have to enable for all of the organization member. You can do it from here. You can enable and disable from here, and then you can select the member against which you want to add the productive or non-productive settings for, or you may select all the members inside the organization will be selected. You can give the name of the productive app and press enter, and thus you can define the number of productive apps category here. And then you can similarly go for the unproductive. You can put the productive URL and the non-productive URL here as well. You can even define the business categories. To define the business category, click on the manage business category. Here you are landed here. Here you can click on this. Click on the add category option to add the category and press enter, and the chip is going to be made like this. You can even click on search to search the option if you have various number of category available. The categories defined here are going to be visible under the business category option against the productive or the non-productive apps and URL. You can select the category from here and you can save. Once this is saved, its impact is going to be reflected under the dashboard, and the apps and the URL which are being captured from the desktop application get categorized under that, and the visual can be viewed in the dashboard. Thank you.